Leetcode Daily Challenge. Question 1022. Sum of root to leaf binary numbers. This question is an easy problem. It is asking us to accumulate all the numbers for each path. So this is a typical BFS problem. So how do we solve a BFS problem? We can always start with the Q. We push the root node in first, then we take it out, check the value, then put the left child and the right child into the queue, and keep doing this. If there's a left child and right child for the left child, we can push them in, and same for the right child, something like this. And we keep doing this until the queue is empty, or until we reached a leaf point. What is a leaf point? Leaf point means left child is none, right child is none. So at this point, we just accumulate the value into the final result. So these steps 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will be the solution. We're gonna solve this problem.